Start the new financial year with Busy. Hello. Learn how you can easily change the financial year in Busy and make a smooth start to the new year. Important tip. Before changing the financial year, take a backup of your data. Let's see how. In Busy, go to Administration and click on Change Financial Year. Here, select New Year from and click OK to proceed. If you want to carry forward all data, simply click on Start. Apart from this, other options are also available. Create New Year only, don't carry balances. With this option, only masters will be carried forward, balances will not be carried forward. Item master to be carried. Here you can decide which items should be carried forward to the next year. All item masters. Closing balance, only those with closing balance. Moved and closing balance items that were used or have a closing balance. The same options are available for party master as well. All party, closing balance, only parties with closing balance, moved and closing balance, parties that were used or have a closing balance. Select the options as per your requirement and click Start. It may take some time depending on the number of masters. Once the process is complete, you will get the message, Financial year changed successfully. If you want to switch to the previous financial year, press the F11 key to easily move to the previous financial year. If there is pending ITC in the previous financial year and you want to carry it forward, go to Administration, Change Financial Year, Carry Pending ITC Entries, and click Start. Similarly, if any bank reconciliation is pending, select Carry Bank Reconciliation Entries and click Start. If you want to carry forward item pricing details to the next financial year, select Carry Items Pricing Info. If you have made any changes in the previous year and want their effect to be carried forward to the new financial year, go to Administration, Change Financial Year from Carry Balances Yes. All masters to carry forward balances of all masters. If all masters have already been carried forward earlier, select New and Changed Masters. This option saves time and avoids the need to run the full financial year change again and again. In this, if you have also made changes in account and item master details and want to carry them forward too, then select Carry Accounts Full Details to Next Year, Carry Items Full Details to Next Year and click Start. So, in this way, you can easily change the financial year in Busy. To purchase Busy, update it,